Okay, there's all the ice built up in the back. And you got to take that out. I've almost got the door out. And the door will just slip out at one point. But I'm just going to take it out and put it aside. Doors off. Doors off over there.
Work on that, soften up that up.
So, got the basket out. That wasn't too bad. That's a couple screws that are over here. 1 and 2. I have to take this thing out now and this. Next thing is that thing up there and the ice maker. I turned off the water downstairs, but of course I left the power on because that's just the way I roll. I can't move this refrigerator by myself. I've got a linoleum floor in there, and there's no way I'm going to roll it and tear this floor up. My wife will kill me. So anyway, you can see back there the ice, and I got some puddling here from ice already building up from yesterday, water building up. So that's all gonna go. So hang on, folks. Off we go. I'm gonna take something off and start the camera again. Okay, I took off the other upper rack here for the basket. Back there, there's 2 screws for the top of the ice cube maker. I got that one out. I got it unplugged. I'm going to take this one out and that little one in the bottom that's attached to the wall. Okay, now you're wondering all about the ice cube maker. That's what it looks like with it out. There's the 3 holes, 2 for the top, 1 for the bottom. That's what it looks like. Bottom one, top one, top one. And yeah, there's ice in there. And this is a little funnel thing that that hose there goes into this little funnel thing and fills up the ice cube maker. I'll bet they call that the female and the male in the ice cube maker world. So all I have left here is this little air diffuser. This here, that's the diffuser that goes directly at the ice cubes. Kind of deflects a little bit of cold air. And I don't know how that comes off, but according to one little video, you just got some tabs. But if it gives me a hard time, I'm just going to do what every guy does and just rip the sucker off and put duct tape back on it. Alright? It's a frustrating project. Shouldn't even have to do this, but off we go. Hang in. Okay. Got the side rails out. Got to do that. Got that vent out. This thing, not too bad. Clip, clip. And there's a center clip for here. That is right there. And yeah, you need a small screwdriver and stick it in that top one right there to bust that out. 4 screws. 1, 2, up there 3, down there's 4. Looky there. Nice big pile of ice. More work than you need to do, right? And there is the clogged a fender right there in the middle. Okay, so I got my Super Duty heat gun. This thing is hot stuff heat gun. I'm going to flip it on and I'm going to go at it. Okay. 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 All right, and pull that out. And the drain plug is fixed. Now we just have to put things back together again.
I'm not good with this.
And everything's back together again. And if you were wondering if there's a shortcut, no, because I would have thought of it. Just to go downstairs, turn the water on, and it's complete.